Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey, please welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a photo shoot vlog because you girl got a photo shoot today, a bathing suit photo shoot, so I'm excited. There's a lot of pretty girls and I'm super excited. Yeah, y'all could go check out the hair. Guys are probably going to know where this hair is from. It's from Eye Candy. That's what the photo shoot is for. And y'all going to see the bomb bathing suit too, so, you know, go shop the hair. So yeah, go shop the hair, go shop the bathing suits. When you guys see it, I know you're gonna love it. Just wait. I look, you know, regular right now, but just wait. I know I look busted. It's okay. But I'm about to head out right now. The makeup artist supposed to be doing our makeup at 9. It's like 9:30, but I'm probably sure other girls are on time. So yeah, they only live 30 minutes away from it. A lot of girls live like 2 hours or an hour, so they probably gonna take a long time. So yeah, I'm taking my time, but I'm leaving right now because my dad is here. So let's just get on with it. This is the outfit I'm wearing. Just wearing the Da Vinci sweater and some black leggings because every time I have a photo shoot, I just dress casual unless they tell me to wear what I have to wear before I get there. So, but yeah, go check out my nails real quick. I didn't give y'all a nail cam. This is the right hand, and this is the left hand. Okay, left hand. Go check out my girl, Claude by Seth. I'm going to put her Instagram on the screen, and you guys can go check her out and get your nails done, because she's very, very affordable. And if you're from Brooklyn, then she's local. So yeah, let's go, guys. My dad's waiting for me now. You out. Ooh.
No, you look pretty with no makeup. Natural. Natural. You recording already?
Yeah, look. You see, when it does like that, it's recording. Alright, guys. So Danielle has her makeup done, and I'm still waiting. I look crazy.
She look cute, though, y'all. Natural beauty. You
Look at her makeup.
My big-ass hair. Yeah, she body my makeup.
Period. I'm going to come back to you guys when I have my hair done. Ooh. I'm going to come back to you guys when I have my hair done, because right now I look crazy. I mean, my hair done. My makeup done. Alright, guys. So I ran because... Oh, my dad parked somewhere else. I thought I lost him. I ran because I wanted to get my tripod because the makeup artist know me, and the hairstylist knew me. I'm just so hyped. Because it made me feel more comfortable to record when people know who I am. So I'm about to go get my tripod from the car, and I'm going to vlog. I love it. I just love looking back at it. Alright guys, so I'm back from the photo shoot. As you guys can see, my makeup's still a little beat. Let's really talk about it. But yes, I enjoyed myself. It was a few like minor setbacks, but everything came out cute. I can't wait for you guys to see the professional pictures and everything. It's so dope. Everybody's vibe was good. Like, I felt like we were so pretty. It was like so many pretty, you know, good vibes girls, because there's a lot of pretty girls, that stuck up, and you could be looking at them like, oh, they stay probably looking rude. But once you get talked to them, it's like, oh, you're not rude. Like, people say about me all the time, so they start to get to know me, and then we start being friends. Like, oh my god, you're so nice, da da da. So yeah, but yeah, guys, I just want to say that I loved everybody there. Everybody looked so beautiful. First of all, yeah, I loved how everybody just hype each other up. Nobody's trying to try to put somebody down or be like, oh, try to look better than somebody, because no, we all look great, and I just love it so much. Like, Black beauty, like, come on, we was slaying with the melanin, all that. And I love the bathing suits. I can't wait for you guys to see them. If you guys want to go check them out, it's Tinted by Kiki. She didn't come out with the swimsuit line yet, but it's coming out soon, so go follow that Instagram at Tinted by Kiki to see when the video drops. To see when her swimsuit line drops. And this is a beat right here, and I'm feeling it. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I love you guys. Bye, Brittany.
Ain't nothing with a chick that bad. I ain't worried about that.